In this video, I'll show you how to report someone on TikTok for bullying. There's three things that you can do. You can report a video or you can report the person's account. So to report the video, find the video in which they're bullying you or someone else and tap and hold on the middle of the screen. That will bring up this menu and you should see this appear, and you tap on the report button with the flag icon, and then that'll ask you for a reason. You tap on hate and harassment and bullying, and then if they're bullying you in the video, then you would tap on the first option here and then press on submit. So if you want to report the person's account, come to their account, and in the top right beside the bell icon, press on the arrow, and below the WhatsApp symbol we have another report button. Press that and tap on report account. Posting inappropriate content, the first one, hate and harassment and bullying, and then once again you press submit down at the bottom. When you report the profile, TikTok will also give you the option to block them if you want, and then you simply press done. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.